Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change font size in PowerPoint notes section. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to change the font size to notes. Firstly, go to all page. You can see here added the note. Now you can add the note. Select this, enable this note option or disable this. Now I am make the note size big. Then select the note and select the size. But here not preview the size. Then we go to the view menu. Click the notes page option. We can see here the size already increased. You can decrease the size. Go back the home menu and decrease the size or increase it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.